Hello, my name is Mike McGlone. I'm a NASA Curriculum Specialist with NASA's Aerospace Education Services Project, and I'd like to share with you today some of the lessons and content from NASA's Summer of Innovation lesson plans. Today I'd like to share the activities from the Summer of Innovation lesson plan, Is It Safe?, which deals with the Earth and radiation from our Sun. The first activity in the lesson is the Geology Module from AstroVenture. AstroVenture is an online resource with several modules. In this lesson, we will focus on the Geology Module. Once you navigate to the AstroVenture website, there are two options for you in the Geology Module, Geology Training and the Geology Mission. Have students go through the training mission first, as it will share some content knowledge and background for the students. Plus, they will get to work with AstroFerret.
Here, during the AstroVenture Geology Training, you will learn about the important characteristics of Earth's geology and how those features help make our planet habitable. So let's get started with the AstroVenture Geology Training!
As students work through the training module, they will get to change variables in different areas, such as the outer core, as shown here, and how the sun's radiation impacts Earth. Students are then shown the difference in the planet depending on those simple changes in Earth's geology, such as changing to a solid core from a liquid core. A liquid core leads to happy cows and life on the surface of Earth. Also note that there is an online journal for students to use. With a solid core, Earth does not get the protection of a magnetic field, and the prospects for life on this planet are very different. After finishing the training module, it is time to move on to the Geology Mission. While you can do either mission, working with magnetic fields is the focus of this lesson, and students will apply what they learned in the training session to investigating the magnetic fields of Venus and Mars, plus other features, and how those planets compare to Earth. Throughout the mission, students are quizzed about what they are learning from the lesson and applying what they learned in the training module. In the second activity, Space Weather Action Centers, students will become space weather forecasters.
Your number one space weather reporting team in the Tri-Valley region with Shannon and Lindsay. This is the Space Weather Action Center.
The Space Weather Action Center is a project-based lesson to get students looking at real NASA data from the Sun and predicting phenomena such as aurora here on Earth, which are caused by the interaction between particles from the Sun, Earth's magnetosphere, and upper atmosphere. Space weather. After analyzing all the data available to students, they can produce video space weather reports, as the earlier clip promotes, podcasts, or maintain a classroom display reporting the current space weather as shown here. Space weather is an exciting and important part of today's global economy, as worldwide satellite communications can be affected by space weather events. And while Earth's magnetosphere protects us from much of the Sun's harmful radiation, it is extremely important to life on this planet. Have fun with your students as you explore AstroVenture, plus learn how to predict space weather. Good luck.